Welcome to Sugosha Media News, your quick briefing on the top defense technology and security headlines for 5th of May. India's battlefield modernization gains pace as Tata Advanced Systems unveils an indigenous 30 crewless turret for next generation armored platforms, signaling a move towards autonomous combat systems. In space tech, XDLINX Space Labs opens a new satellite integration facility with ISRO leadership, while Sarvam AI and Pixxel partner to build India's first orbital data center satellite. Bangladesh upgrades air defense near the strategic Siliguri corridor, highlighting shifting security dynamics. Innovation continues with NIT Rourkela developing lightweight aircraft materials and IIT Jammu building a jam-proof stealth drone for GPS-denied operations. On the policy front, DRDO opens male UAV technology to private players, boosting India's 30,000 crore rupees drone push. Bharat Electronics partners with MetaMind and Kristellar on next generation cyber electronic warfare. Globally, ThinKom Solutions unveils a microwave anti-drone weapon. Intelic launches a military drone marketplace, and AeroVironment rolls out a new multifunctional drone, underscoring the rapid evolution of unmanned warfare. The news in detail. Tata Advanced Systems has unveiled its indigenously developed 30 crewless turret, a cutting-edge unmanned weapon system designed to enhance survivability and firepower for India's future armored platforms. The 30 crewless turret is a remote-controlled unmanned weapon station engineered for integration on a wide range of armored vehicles, including infantry combat vehicles and armored personnel carriers. Its primary armament is a 30 by 165 automatic gun supported by a 7.62 coaxial PKT machine gun, anti-tank guided missile, and smoke grenade launchers. This layered weapon suite ensures versatility against infantry, armored threats, and aerial targets. The turret offers 360 degrees continuous rotation and an elevation range up to 65 degrees, enabling engagements of threats across varied terrain and urban environments. An AI-enabled automated target tracking system enhances precision by locking onto moving targets, while the integrated fire control system combines advanced sensors, laser rangefinders, and stabilized commander and gunner sights to maximize first-round hit probability. These features allow accurate firing even while the vehicle is in motion, a critical advantage in modern mechanized warfare. XDLINX Space Labs has inaugurated its Advanced Space Systems Integration and Testing Lab in Hyderabad. The facility has been designed to support next generation small and microsatellite platforms. Among its technical capabilities are precision optical benches capable of handling payloads with apertures up to 450 a dedicated attitude determination and control system, lab featuring a high accuracy air bearing platform and Helmholtz coil for magnetic field simulation, and an electrical power system test lab for battery qualification and power distribution modeling. The centerpiece is a high grade clean room environment for the final assembly of satellites ranging from 10 kilograms to 300 kilograms, ensuring mission reliability and compliance with international standards. Bangladesh's revival of the Lal Mori Hat Air Base, less than 20 kilometers from Siliguri corridor, is raising alarm due to its proximity to one of India's most sensitive strategic choke points. The addition of advanced radar systems, a large hangar, and a 4-kilometer runway under Forces Goal 2030 signals Dhaka's intent to strengthen northern airfields, with India already reinforcing its own posture in response. The Lal Monirhat Air Base, spread across 1,166 acres, is undergoing a significant transformation. Originally built in 1931 under British rule and used extensively during the Burma campaign in World War II, the base had long remained dormant. Pixxel, a planetary intelligence company, announced plans for building India's first orbital data center satellite, which will be powered by Sarvam AI. Based on the press note, the companies partnered to design, build, launch, and operate the Pathfinder satellite. Sarvam will work as the backbone to the satellite by providing the AI technology like AI models, running AI tasks, and deploying full AI language models directly on the satellite. How will the Pathfinder satellite be developed? Pixel and Sarvam will build and deploy a highly advanced AI powered satellite named Pathfinder that can process data directly in space. The satellite will weigh about 200 kilograms and is expected to launch by quarter 4 of 2026. The Pathfinder satellite will be equipped with a low power edge processor and data center grade GPUs similar to the hardware used in modern AI data centers on Earth, allowing it to run advanced AI tasks directly in orbit. It will also consist of Pixel's flagship hyperspectral imaging camera that can capture high fidelity hyperspectral data and analyze it directly in orbit using foundation models. Instead of sending large volumes of raw imagery back to Earth for processing, the system can identify patterns, detect changes, and generate insights in real time. This will help speed up decision making in areas like climate and environmental monitoring, disaster response, agriculture, resource management, and infrastructure tracking. The satellite will be developed at Pixel's upcoming Gigapixel factory facility that can scale satellite production to up to 100 units and deploy next generation space infrastructure from India. A research group at National Institute of Technology Rourkela has created a lightweight material that can be used in developing aircraft landing gear with high durability, which is a must to endure the wear and tear during landing and taxiing of planes. Typically made of aluminium and aluminium alloys, aircraft landing gear are designed to absorb the weight of the aircraft and must endure contact with the runway. Such conditions rapidly wear the gear material. While aluminum and aluminum alloys are lightweight in nature, their durability under such high stress conditions remains a limitation. To address this gap, Syed Nasimul Alam, Associate Professor Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, NIT Rourkela, along with his research scholar group, have developed a novel nanocomposite material that can be used for aircraft landing gear. Researchers at IIT Jammu have developed a revolutionary jam-proof stealth drone engineered for the high-intensity EW environments of the LOC and LAC. Technically, the platform moves beyond vulnerable GNSS-based navigation, utilizing a fusion of computer vision, simultaneous localization and mapping, and inertial sensors for precise dead reckoning in denied zones. The drone features a low observable carbon fiber composite airframe with a reduced radar cross section and utilizes frequency hopping spread spectrum for its C2 link. This breakthrough provides the Army with an autonomous, invisible ISR asset capable of penetrating adversary A2AD bubbles without the risk of signal hijacking, or navigational shift. DRDO has initiated the transfer of core technologies from the TAPAS BH201 program to domestic private integrators, bridging the design to induction gap for the upcoming 87 drone mega tender. While the Tapas project failed to meet the 30,000 feet JSQR altitude ceiling, its successor technology, including high persistence flight control laws, indigenous GCS architecture, and carbon composite fabrication, is being recycled for the superior Archer NG platform. This transfer ensures that the winning bidders for the tri-service RFQ can bypass a decade of R&D, focusing instead on the Archer NG's single-engine twin-boom design, which is optimized for the thin air environments of the LAC. Bharat Electronics has signed a strategic tripartite MOU with MetaMind Systems and Kristellar Aerospace to co-develop future-ready technologies in cybersecurity, electronic warfare, and semiconductors. This partnership leverages MetaMind's AI-driven data analytics and Kristellar's R&D in CubeSats and aerospace propulsion to create an integrated sovereign C4I ecosystem. By localizing the production of high performance semiconductor modules and mission critical avionics, the alliance aims to eliminate foreign black box risk in India's defense grid. This collaboration is a vital step towards achieving 100% industrial autonomy in the intelligence layer of modern warfare, ensuring that India's data centers and electronic warfare suites are resilient against advanced state sponsored cyber kinetic threats. Now, the global news. In a battlefield increasingly shaped by drone swarms, California's ThinKom Solutions is responding with a high power microwave system designed to counter coordinated unmanned threats. The system, known as Electo, blends variable inclination continuous transfer stub VITCS technology with high power vacuum electronics to generate directed microwave energy. VITCS is a steerable mechanical antenna system that enables precise beam control with minimal spillover, helping concentrate effects on targets while reducing the risk of collateral damage. Dutch defense technology company Intelic has launched Intelic Base, a new procurement hub designed to help ministries of defense across Europe identify, compare, and deploy European unmanned systems more quickly. The platform aims to strengthen European defense sovereignty by giving governments clearer access to mission ready drones and other unmanned technologies from across the continent. At launch, Intelic Base reportedly connects drone and unmanned systems manufacturers from 10 European countries: France, Germany, UK, Ukraine, Netherlands, Portugal, Latvia, Luxembourg, Lithuania, and Czechia. Named European partners include AceCore Technologies, Airvolute, Avi, Beyond Vision, Delta Quad, Height Technologies, HiCat, and TAF Industries. AeroVironment is debuting a new drone with the capacity to carry out reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and strike missions, building on a lethal loitering system that is already being fielded by the US Army. The defense technology firm introduced the system known as Mayhem 10, which expands upon its Switchblade family. The Army announced a $186 million purchase in February that includes two variants of Switchblade one way attack or kamikaze drones, the Switchblade 600 Block 2 variant, and the Switchblade 300 Block 20 variant. The difference is that Mayhem 10 is multifunctional, meaning it can perform tasks in addition to striking. The new system can carry a 10-pound payload and has a range of over 62 miles per the release. The system is capable of 50 minutes of endurance with a launch assembly that can be done in under 5 minutes. It can also be launched from the air, ground, or maritime platforms. Before we end, a quick wrap of today's news. India's defense technology push accelerates as Tata Advanced Systems unveils a 30 crewless turret. XDLINX Space Labs opens a new facility with ISRO, and Sarvam AI partners with Pixxel on an orbital data center satellite. Innovation grows with NIT Rourkela and IIT Jammu advancing materials and stealth drones. DRDO opens male UAV technology to industry. Bharat Electronics partners with MetaMind and Kristellar on next generation electronic warfare. In geopolitics, Bangladesh upgrades air defense near the Siliguri corridor. In the global news, ThinKom Solutions, Intelic, and AeroVironment highlight the global shift towards autonomous and counter drone warfare. At Sugosha Media, we simplify complexity, from decoding defense policies to enabling market entry and structuring offsets. We help organizations move from strategy to execution in India's aerospace and defense ecosystem. Our focus is clear: turning regulatory understanding into business outcomes. We look forward to partnering in shaping the next phase of growth in this sector. Thank you.